Have you ever pondered the mysteries shrouded within the icy expanse of Antarctica? Picture a world far removed from the hustle and bustle of civilization, a world where the bitter chill of the wind cuts through the silence, and the sprawling landscapes are dominated by nothing but ice and snow. This is Antarctica, the southernmost continent on Earth. It's a land of extreme contrasts, a place where the harsh climate and inaccessibility have helped to preserve its pristine condition. But the real intrigue lies not in its physical characteristics, but in the international treaty that governs it. This treaty, agreed upon by over 50 nations, restricts human activity on the continent, adding an extra layer of mystery to an already enigmatic landscape. With no permanent human residence and limited access, the icy world of Antarctica provokes curiosity and speculation. So, what secrets does this icy fortress hold? Our journey into the mysteries of Antarctica begins with its discovery in the early 19th century. The vast icy wilderness was untouched and uncharted, a blank space on the world map that intrigued the most adventurous of explorers. It was a place of unrelenting cold, where the sun would vanish for half the year, and towering icebergs roamed the surrounding seas like mythical beasts. The first recorded sighting of the continent came from a Russian expedition in 1820. Led by Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen, this team of hardy souls braved the treacherous Southern Ocean to chart the unknown. However, it was not until the following year that a British expedition, under the command of Edward Bransfield, confirmed Antarctica as a continent. The early expeditions were fraught with danger. Explorers battled against the elements, facing brutal cold, blinding snowstorms, and treacherous ice crevasses. They fought against frostbite, scurvy, and the insidious threat of madness brought on by the relentless isolation and the eerie silence of the polar night. Among these early pioneers was the heroic Ernest Shackleton. His ill-fated endurance expedition of 1914 is a tale of survival against the odds, a testament to the human spirit in the face of adversity. Their ship crushed by the pack ice, Shackleton and his men survived for months in the harshest conditions imaginable, before making a daring escape in small boats to reach safety. These early explorers were drawn to Antarctica by the allure of the unknown, the promise of discovery, and the glory of being the first to set foot on this alien landscape. They ventured into the heart of the frozen wilderness, mapping its icy plains, climbing its towering mountains, and delving into its deepest crevasses. Yet, despite their courage and determination, these early adventurers could only penetrate so far into the icy heart of Antarctica. They were limited by the technology of their time, the harshness of the environment, and the sheer vastness of the continent. These brave adventurers barely scratched the surface of what Antarctica has to offer. As we delve deeper, Antarctica reveals phenomena that seem almost out of this world. Imagine standing in the middle of a frozen landscape and suddenly, you're greeted by the sight of a waterfall. But this isn't your typical cascade of clear water. It's a terrifying spectacle of blood-red liquid pouring out from the ice. This is the Blood Falls, a natural feature that has puzzled scientists for more than a century. The eerie crimson hue is due to iron-rich brine, which oxidizes upon contact with air, creating an unsettling, bloody spectacle. But the Blood Falls is just the tip of the iceberg. Antarctica is a cacophony of sounds. And we're not talking about the howling wind or the cracking ice. There are sounds that emanate from the ice itself. These strange noises, often described as singing, are produced by the movement and interaction of ice particles. They echo through the vast wilderness, adding another layer to the mystery that shrouds this icy continent. Now let's talk about the weather. Antarctica is home to some of the most extreme weather conditions on the planet, but there's something else, something that doesn't quite add up. Despite the freezing temperatures, there are parts of Antarctica that remain ice-free. These areas, known as dry valleys, are the driest places on Earth, with conditions similar to Mars. How is it possible that in a land of extreme cold, these pockets of desert-like conditions exist? But that's not all. There are reports of unexplained weather phenomena, like the time when researchers observed clouds forming in a clear sky, only to dissipate as quickly as they appeared. Or the instances of sudden intense snowfall, followed by an eerie calm and clear sky. These erratic weather patterns have left scientists scratching their heads, searching for answers. Antarctica, it seems, is a land of enigmas. A place where the known rules of nature are often defied, leaving us with more questions than answers. But one thing is for certain. The more we explore this icy wilderness, the more secrets it seems to reveal. Are these just quirks of nature, or is there more to these mysteries? Where there is mystery, conspiracy theories are bound to follow. And when it comes to the icy, uncharted wilderness of Antarctica, there's no shortage of these theories. One of the most enduring of these is the idea that Antarctica is home to a secret Nazi base. This theory gained traction after World War II, when rumors began to circulate that Adolf Hitler had escaped to a hidden fortress in the Antarctic. The idea was fueled by Operation High Jump, a real-life US military operation that explored the continent after the war. While this operation was officially a scientific expedition, some believe it was a covert mission to uncover this alleged Nazi stronghold. Then we have the theory of hidden alien technology beneath the ice. This idea is often linked to the sudden interest in Antarctica during the Cold War. Was it just a coincidence? Or were world powers racing to uncover extraterrestrial secrets buried deep within the ice? Some theorists even believe that the infamous Area 51 is just a decoy, and the real alien research is happening in the frozen south. There are also theories that suggest Antarctica is not a continent at all, but rather a giant ice wall encircling the Earth, a key component of the flat Earth theory. According to this belief, the international treaty prohibiting entry is an elaborate ruse to prevent people from discovering the truth. Of course, these theories are largely unproven and often dismissed by the scientific community. Yet, they persist, fueled by the secrecy and inaccessibility that surrounds Antarctica. They are stories that capture our collective imagination, challenging us to question what we think we know about the world. While these theories might seem far-fetched, they add to the enigma that is Antarctica. Whether they hold any truth or not, they remind us that in this vast and mysterious world, there's always more to discover. Despite the restrictions, scientific research has unveiled some astounding revelations. Imagine a desolate, icy landscape, untouched by human civilization, and yet it holds secrets that could change our understanding of life and our planet. That's Antarctica for you. Scientists have braved the harsh conditions to probe beneath its icy surface, unveiling a treasure trove of knowledge. One such revelation is the discovery of ancient life forms. Yes, you heard that right. Antarctica, the seemingly barren land of ice, once teemed with life. In fact, scientists have found fossils of dinosaurs, trees, and even subtropical plants, indicating that Antarctica was once a lush, green paradise. These findings have not only reshaped our perception of this icy continent, but also challenged our understanding of Earth's history and evolution. But there's more. Antarctica has become the forefront of climate change studies. Its giant ice sheets are like time capsules, preserving atmospheric conditions from thousands of years ago. By studying ice cores, scientists can reconstruct past climates, giving us insights into how our planet has changed over time. This invaluable information helps us understand the patterns of climate change and potentially predict future environmental shifts. Furthermore, research in Antarctica has opened new frontiers in space exploration. Yes, space. The extreme conditions in Antarctica are the closest we can get to the harsh environments of other planets. This has led to the development of technologies and methodologies that could be used in future space missions. But perhaps the most intriguing are the subglacial lakes. Hidden beneath kilometers of ice, these lakes are isolated from the rest of the world, creating unique ecosystems. Who knows what kind of life forms might exist there? The possibilities are endless, and the discoveries always surprising. These discoveries only deepen the mystery and allure of Antarctica. So, as we continue to uncover the secrets of this icy wonderland, we can't help but wonder, what else does Antarctica have in store for us? The secrets locked within its icy grasp continue to intrigue and captivate us. The mystery of Antarctica is far from over. It's just beginning. As we wrap up our journey into the mysteries of Antarctica, let's reflect on the intriguing tales we've traversed. We began with the discovery of this enigmatic ice world, a land that has challenged explorers and scientists alike with its harsh, unforgiving terrain. Then, we delved into the unearthly phenomena, from the eerie sounds of the winds to the puzzling blood-red waterfalls, phenomena that have fueled countless conspiracy theories. We dipped our toes into these theories, exploring tales of hidden civilizations and secret government operations. We also shed light on the remarkable scientific research and discoveries that have been made despite the prohibitive conditions. From potential signs of ancient life to clues about climate change, these findings underscore the importance of Antarctica to our understanding of our world and beyond. Antarctica continues to be a beacon of mystery, a reminder that despite our advancements, there are still places on this planet that remain largely unexplored.